new crew. My name's Cassandra. If you're new here, I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3, and I meal prep once a week to save my life. My family can eat. This is what we're meal prepping today, so if you want to see what we're meal prepping, how we're meal prepping today, just keep on watching. So what I have in this pan is about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, a whole bag of steamable corn. I didn't steam it, I just dumped it right in. I'm thawing it out, and then I've just dumped my spices on. I have taco seasoning, minced onion, Lorry's in here, and this is going to be the filling for my enchiladas later this week. And then once this is cooked through, all I'm going to do is put this in a Ziploc bag, put it in the fridge, and then when I go to actually assemble my enchiladas later this week, I'm going to throw in a bunch of taco cheese, or like Mexican style cheese, roll it up in my enchiladas, top it with red enchilada sauce. I get mine from a can, I'm not perfect. And then I'm going to top it with even more cheese, bake it in the oven, and this meal is going to be ready to go. What I have in this pot is about 1/2 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of Italian sausage with minced onion, basil, and Lorry's. And then I have water going to boil in this pot, and what I'm going to use this for is stuffed shells. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to lay my shells out in a pan and stuff them with my meat mixture. And then when I actually go to bake it, I'm just going to top it with cheese and spaghetti sauce, throw it in the oven, and bake it. And in here, I already have the eggs in the oven for Joe's breakfast sandwiches, and I'm about to throw in mix up a big thing of pancake mix because I want to make more little pancake muffins. I'm not going to put anything in them this time. I'm just going to put season them with cinnamon and a lot of vanilla extract and sugar, and make them like a cinnamon sugar mini cupcake muffin thing. So that's what I'm hoping to get done today. Colt's napping, so I'm going to keep chugging along and getting as much done as I can. So I got my pancakes in the oven on the bottom there, my little pancake muffins. I put my enchilada mixture in a Tupperware here. That's just kind of cooling off before I put it in the fridge. These are the jumbo noodles I'm using, or these jumbo shells. I dumped these in my boiling water, and then when, I just follow the directions in the back of my pancake mix to make pancakes, and I make them right into like this little pour measuring cup thing, and I just pour them right into the muffin tin, and it makes it really easy and really simple, honestly. So I'm done with this. But now I'm basically just waiting for my shells to boil so I can stuff them.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to.
So these are my shells. This is a 9 by 13 inch lasagna pan with all my jumbo shells. These are stuffed with the Italian sausage and the beef mixture. I've got some leftover noodles here. So what I'm going to do now is just take some mozzarella shredded cheese and go on top here. If you wanted to, you could also use ricotta. You could spread a layer of sour cream on top, kind of whatever floats your boat. But this is what I'm going to do this time, is just meat and some shredded cheese. And then I'm actually just going to put the top on this and store it right in my fridge, just like this. So then when I go to make it this week, all I have to do is dump my spaghetti sauce on top and probably some more cheese if I'm being real. And we'll eat this with a side of probably steamed veggies, but how delicious. And then because I have the extra noodles, I'm just going to put these in a Ziploc and probably cut these up to kind of make like mock spaghetti noodles, and I'll feed these to Colt for lunch over the next couple days. But He is over there eating some M&Ms while I finish up meal prep here. It's my chicken scrap bowl. These are all of the breakfast sandwiches I prepped for Joe. There's 12 here.
I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go.
This is my pile of mini muffins. My second batch didn't want to come out too hot, but they'll still taste yummy. But there's 50 mini muffins here for the kids and Joe, myself, whoever to snack on throughout the week. I've done different ones in the past, blueberry chocolate chip, regular, but these ones are cinnamon and sugar to kind of get us in the fall spirit. These are really, really good. I might do pumpkin ones next week, so make sure you subscribe if you're going to want that recipe, but those are really yummy. So this is just a quick overview of what we were able to prep. 50 muffins, 12 breakfast sandwiches, extra noodles here. This is our enchilada mixture, and these are our stuffed shells. So this is everything I was able to prep in about, today was a little bit longer, I'd say about an hour or so, but we definitely had distractions today. It's been busy, but not too bad. I'm set for the week. I have easily 3 meals here. We'll definitely get leftovers out of probably the enchiladas, but easily have leftovers. So I'm pretty set for the week. We've got breakfast covered between these and snacks, but I'm really excited about that. So I get questions sometimes how I make things fit, so I just want to show you a quick overview of my fridge. It's pretty empty-ish right now because it's the last week of the month, and because I only grocery shop once a month, my fridge is fullest at the beginning of the month, and then obviously it gets less and less full as the month goes on. But this is everything we just meal prepped. This is the enchiladas, our muffins here, and then our stuffed shells. These are our leftover shells, and then all of Joe's breakfast sandwiches go up top. I try to keep this top shelf as empty as possible because this is where I put all my husband's lunch items. My husband's eating 3 meals out of the house right now, like 3 meals a day because of work and his school that he's going to, like college-wise. Sorry, it's super loud right now. But I try to keep all of his lunch stuff up here, so in case we don't have time to communicate at night, he can just grab whatever's up here, put it in his lunchbox. So all of his breakfast sandwiches go up here and stuff. But this is everything we just meal prepped, so I just try to fit it in as best as I can. A lot of the times I'll put stuff like this, that's just kind of like loose meat and corn and stuff, in a Ziploc bag. But I don't have any Ziploc bags left, so Tupperware. But that's how we make it all work. I just meal prep for what I have space for, so it worked out this week. And honestly, I was really nervous that it wasn't gonna fit, but it did. So small blessings, you know what I'm saying? Small blessings. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Be part of our crew here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. As always, that's at Cassie and Crew. That link is down in the description. If you feel like watching more of my meal prep videos, that playlist will be down below. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road.